Good morning. For my job skill demonstration, I'll be showing you how to correctly fabricate a circuit board and enclose it in an enclosure. Before you start, you need to make sure you have the correct equipment. You'll need a soldering iron, a fume extractor, a soldering tool, which are pliers, needle pliers, strippers, cutters, lead benders. You also need a finished vise, a ream of solder, and a hand drill to drill your enclosure. But before you start, you also need to take the safety precautions. You need to have your safety glasses on during the entire time when you are drilling and when you are soldering. Also, if you have long hair, make sure you tie your hair back so it will not distract you when you're soldering and drilling. Once you have everything all set, turn on your fume extractor and your soldering iron. The light should turn on, indicating that power is being applied to the devices. Now, put on your safety glasses and take your bench vise and place it in front of you. Take your printed circuit board, also known as the PCB board, and tighten it into the bench vise. With your lead bender, measure the distance between both pads where your components are going to go. For this, you're going to need a schematic. A schematic is an electrical design in which shows you where all the components are going to be placed in the coil or your PCB board. I'm going to be placing a resistor. A resistor is a component which reduces the current flow in the circuit. So with lead bender, I am going to measure the distance between both pads. Remember the number. Place my resistor or component like this and then. Then I'm going to take the component and place it. Flip the vise and bend both leads at a 45-degree angle opposite of each other. Then, take some solder, and with the soldering iron, clean it, and solder. Make sure that you do not put a lot of solder, in which you can cause bridges and shorts, and make your project not to work. Then flip your vise upward. Cut both leads with your cutters. You should have it like this. Once you're finished, you should have all your components in the correct places, be in their correct ways, and all panel mounting components wired to the board. Once you're all set in fabricating your circuit board, you're going to need an enclosure to place it in. With an enclosure like this, you are going to mark it up where you're going to be putting your panel mount components, which I have here. Once you're done with that, you are going with your hand drill, drill the places in which you want your components to go. Make sure that you have your safety glasses on and your hand is tied back during this process too. If you need to, you'll have to get a bigger bit size to fit the components that you need. Once you're all set where you are drilling, your final product for the enclosure will look like this. Your front panel drilled and your right side panel also. With your drill enclosure, take your PCB board that has been done and pocketed and fit it inside your enclosure. Like so. And all of the panel mounted components will fit in their exact locations. And your final product would be the electronic coin toss. Apply power to the circuit, which is the 9-volt battery which is inside, and roll the dice. You should get either heads or tails. To recap, make sure you are using all the following safety precautions. Do not touch the tip of the soldering iron, which will become extremely hot and will leave a scar and also burn you. Have all of your components before you assemble into your board, and make sure that you have everything that is needed to safely do so. Also, as I said, make sure there are no shorts or bridges in the circuit because it will make your project to work incorrectly. And also, the PCB board was designed in 1936 by an Russian engineer named Paul Isa. The U.S. military used this PCB board design because in World War II, because they thought it would withstand pressure and bullets from enemy aircrafts and enemy tanks. And that concludes my job skill demonstration.